Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious curry with meat and spinach and potatoes. So nutritious and delicious and so easy to make. Do try this at home and your family will love this curry. So let's get started how to make this wonderful curry. In my pressure cooker I've taken about 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'm going to add 3 medium-sized onions. Okay, that's 3 medium-sized onions. Once the onion turns brown, golden brown, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. That's 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Once you've fried it for a while, I'm going to add small size 6 tomatoes. Tomatoes, small ones. Once the tomato slightly softens, we're going to add our meat. I'm using around 700 grams of meat. We're going to add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, that's 2 teaspoons of meat masala. As you can see now, all the spice has fried so well and you can see the oil separating from it as well. At this stage I'm going to add my potatoes. I've taken around 4 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into quarters. Okay, I'm now going to put them in my meat. Now I'm going to add around 2 cups of water. And I'll add little salt. Mix it well. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to cover the lid of the pressure cooker and turn off the flame to very slow and let it cook for 15 minutes. spinach leaves. I'm going to add this to my curry. So this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm finally going to add some coriander and mint leaves, which are finely chopped, to garnish it. So here you go. My spinach and meat curry is ready. Let's go ahead and serve it. So here you go. My curry is now ready to eat. Look how delicious it looks. I'm sure you will love this. Do try this at home and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification when I post my next recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.